everyone, welcome back to the Auto Mags Pro. Today, whether you're planning a weekend getaway or a cross-country adventure, the 2025 Volkswagen Motorhome might just be the perfect road trip companion. Today, we're diving into everything this modern-day Nomad mobile has to offer, from its design and performance, to tech, comfort, and what sets it apart in the camper van world. At first glance, the 2025 VW Motorhome brings together retro charm and futuristic function. Inspired by the iconic VW buses of the past, it's got that classic silhouette, but with sharper lines, LED lighting, and an aerodynamic profile designed to glide through the air and save on fuel. Volkswagen offers several trims, with optional two-tone paint jobs, alloy wheels, and even a solar panel roof upgrade. And yes, the solar panels can power your off-grid essentials like lights, fans, and even small appliances. Step inside, and you're greeted with a smartly designed space that's all about flexibility. The 2025 model includes modular seating that converts into a bed, a compact kitchenette with an induction cooktop, fridge, and a fold-out dining table. There's even a built-in composting toilet and an optional wet bath in higher trims. Tech-wise, it's loaded. The dashboard runs on VW's latest infotainment system, crisp display, voice commands, wireless CarPlay, and Android Auto. But the real standout is the integrated travel control panel. You can monitor your water levels, solar charge, cabin temperature, all from your phone or the touchscreen inside. Now, let's talk performance. Under the hood, or rather, under the chassis, you have two powertrain options. The base model features a 2.0-liter turbocharged engine with 7-speed DSG transmission. But for those going green, there's a fully electric version, built off VW's ID.Buzz platform, offering up to 300 miles of range on a full charge. It handles more like a large SUV than a traditional RV, responsive steering, excellent visibility, and built-in driver aids like adaptive cruise control, lane assist, and park pilot make long drives, or tight campsites, a breeze. Comfort is where this motorhome really shines. Ambient LED lighting, dual-zone climate control, and high-quality materials throughout give it a boutique hotel vibe. Whether you're working remotely or watching Netflix under the stars, it just feels like home. So who's this for? The 2025 Volkswagen Motorhome is ideal for digital nomads, adventurous couples, or small families who want freedom without sacrificing comfort and style. Starting at around $85,000, it's definitely a premium offering, but for what you get, it's worth every mile. That's a wrap on the 2025 VW Motorhome. If you're looking to hit the road in comfort, with modern tech and timeless style, this might just be your next home on wheels.